What's going on, my crew? Welcome back to another reaction vid. Hope you guys are having an awesome Saturday. Hope there's big smiles on you guys' faces. Hope you guys are feeling good today, and I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. It supports me, it supports you, it supports my hobby, it supports the world. Today, guys, we're going to be reacting to Machine Gun Kelly and Camila Cabello, Bad Things on Jimmy Fallon. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it.
Their collaboration debuted at #1 on the hip-hop chart, has been streamed over 20 million times. Wow.
I've heard it before.
Performing Bad Things. Give it up for Machine Gun Kelly and Camila Cabello.
The chorus is so addicting, man. So beautiful up there. She's like flowing. If she's doing bad things to MGK, I have to say I'm jealous.
Nothing that bad if it feels good. So you come back and the night's young. Enjoy my drug. Breathe you into my face now. Drop it down to that bass drum. I got what you dream about. Nails scratching my back tap.
So good, man. Scars on my body, so I can take you wherever. Like I want you forever, even when we're not together. Her voice is exactly like the studio. I love her so much. She looks so good up there, man.
Well, I can't explain it. I love the pain, and I love the way that your breath smells me like Novocaine range. Okay, yeah, I'm the same, but you the same. Let me paint the picture. Couch by the kitchen, nothing but your heels on.
This is one of like my favorite collaborations I've seen in a while, honestly.
To all the bad things I say, and you said I want you forever, even when we're not together. Stars on my body, I can look at you and never fall.
A lot of people were like making comments saying that their chemistry wasn't good, blah 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 blah. I think that they look really good up there, and I think the song is absolutely beautiful. God, she's so perfect, man. MGK, you're perfect too, don't worry. A lot of people don't like some of the things that MGK has done, like on stage and stuff, like humping a girl off stage and stuff. But it doesn't take away from his music talent, you know what I'm saying? If you knew all the bad things about your favorite artists, you wouldn't like them either, you know what I'm saying? Like, nobody's perfect. Is he actually playing the guitar there?
Camila Cabello! Come on! Machine Gun, how you doing, buddy? Machine Gun Bad Things is out now. We'll be right back. I love saying their name.
He's like, fuck you, MGK, come here! I'm just joking. I'm just kidding. Such a dope performance, man. That's the kind of music I love to see, man. Like a great rapper mixed with great singing. Two wicked, popular talents clash together to make something beautiful. I wish that would happen more. It's just such a random duo, and I love it, man. What did you guys think of that video? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to check out my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.